It's 23 minutes past 8 and you're listening to Heart.
Is it
I
easy
think
to-
you could.
What's
Silly Daddy. I love muddy puddles too.
That was pretty important.
Hello, Poppy. Correct. That was very good.
What's-
Pretend? Okay, I have thought of a very nice bike.
Oh, oh.
I'm riding my bicycle. La 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 la. I'm not walking, Susie. It's here. It's a pretend bicycle. It's got sparkly wheels and it's painted like a rainbow. I'm Peppa Pig. Found you, Gerald. I have to bend down to talk to George. Hello, George. What's it like being little? Mummy, can you read us your story? It's George's Happy Mrs. Chicken High Score. I'm a pretty butterfly. Flutter, flutter, flutter. Daddy, I tricked you. It's me. Let's go to the next ride. George, you naughty piggy. Bye-bye. I really like Digger World. Mr. Bull, can we drive your digger? Teddy, what game shall we play? Squeak, squeak. You want to roll down the hill? Okay. Let's jump in muddy puddles. What's that, Teddy? You want to jump in muddy puddles too? Okay. Splash, splash, splash. Oops. Sorry, I sat on you, Teddy. It's Father Christmas. Hello, it's me, Peppa Pig. Yes, we are doing a Christmas play. I am the fairy, Susie is the nurse, and Danny is you. Will you come and see our play? Oh, please. It's treasure, Grandpa. It's buried treasure. Grandpa, do you think we really have found buried treasure? Is it real plastic gold? Did you get lots of playgroup stars, Mummy? Daddy, did you get lots of playgroup stars too? You never got a playgroup star, Daddy. Not even a little one. I like this road. It's all wibbly-wobbly. Goldie likes it too. Will it be wibbly-wobbly like the old road? But Granny said I should look after Dolly. OK. Dolly! Hooray! Watch out for the house, Grandpa. Clever Grandpa. Ah! Dolly! Caught you. OK. Clickety-clack, clickety-clack, the train's on the track. Huff and puff, clickety-clickety-clack. I've sung a song. Now are we nearly there? A magic bathroom. There's a little basin with little taps. A magic toilet. Daddy has found the magic shower. Now, what do we do now? Wow! Mummy! Susie is going to have a new bedroom in a new house. I can't wait to play in Susie's new room. See you, Susie. I'm sad. I will really miss you, Susie. I will even miss you bossing me about. No, I am not. We are both a bit bossy. I made you a going away card. And you can have this. It's my most favourite plastic crown because you are so special. And so you don't forget me and you must keep it forever. Don't go, Susie. Oh, look at that. Ooh, they're a tiny little boat. There are some pirates. What was that? Yes, there are houses and cars and hills and trees. That's what happened to us on our way here. It's the post. What does it say? I've never had a postcard. The little house on the hill. Now can we post it? Goody. Oh, goody. Dear Pepper and George, wish you were here. Lots of love, Pepper and George. Let's post it. Yes, Grandpa. We stuck it on our postcard. Why, our postcard! Yippee! Grandpa, because our card has your lovely stamp on it, would you like to keep it? Wow, you both look the same. We can help you find it. Madam Gazelle, we are little children. That was Piggy and Pandora's idea. If I am extra lucky, I will share it with you, Susie. This is the best Chinese New Year ever. Hello, Mandy. I'm Peppa Pig. We're drawing pictures. I drew the sun. That's a really good drawing. Why do you have a wheelchair, Mandy? Mandy, you're good. Can I help you? Everything is on a hill around here. My house is on a hill. The supermarket is on a hill. Rebecca Rabbit lives inside a hill. It's all hills, hills, hills. Yes, Daddy. Madam Gazelle said I have to practice. Why do children get told off? Grown-ups don't get told off. Ugh, not the concrete shop again. It's so boring. Daddy, is a parking ticket like being told off?
Can me and George play in the garden today? Is it like Mother's Day? To you, Daddy. You are the bestest daddy in the whole world. Well done. Kiss, kiss. Daddy can't work on Daddy's Day, Mummy.
So what do the buttons? We are good at the piano, Mummy. So what do the buttons do? Do it to me! Do it to me! It's true! I do like butter. I've got a trick I can do with daisies. If I put a daisy under your chin and it shines yellow, then that means you like cheese.
Really?
Yes. George, do you like cheese? Oh, there's no yellow. Let me try. Make a hole in the stem, thread a daisy through. This is fun! Yes, I am the Daisy Queen. Look at me, look at me! No, George, I am the Daisy Queen. You need to be something else. George is a dandelion. Mummy, we've already played with those things, Mummy. And a windmill bit. The marble will make it go round and round. Oh, that looks good, Rebecca. Marble run ever. It was the noise of the biggest marble run ever. Show you how it works? It's a robot called Mr. Robot. Shall I show you how it works?
Yes, please.
Mr. Robot can walk all by himself, but you need to use this. It's called a key.
Oh.
You put the key in here, like this, and turn it. Why don't you pretend to look for it here? Yes, Grandpa. It's the one you just put there. But what if they both get lost? Yes, I can go as a sleepy princess from this book. Or maybe I can go as the red monkey. I can't decide. All the books are good. No, Daddy. It has to be a real book, not Mummy's book. Aha! I'm the happy pirate from the pirate book. Pirates are my favourite because they are funny and they sing happy songs and...
Brush their teeth?
Yes, brush their teeth. My favourite book keeps changing. Hello, Susie. It's brilliant. I like the Children's Festival.
Yeah.
A little bit of mud would be nice. Making things was fun. Tomorrow, are we staying here tonight?
Camping area.
Hello! Hello, Peppa. Are you camping too? Woody, are we glamping? It's brilliant!
Yeah.
Wow! So much mud! Yippee! Sand castles! Mud castles are the best! Yay! What's best to paint with mud? I know! A muddy puddle! That sounds a bit boring. My most favourite thing in the whole world is jumping up and down in muddy puddles.
And if we're going to jump in puddles...
We must wear our boots.
That's right.
Why is it hiding in a little house, Grandpa? Wow! So many strawberries. Yummy! I love the strawberry farm. Strawberry, strawberry, juicy, red and sweet. Strawberry, strawberry, they're so nice to eat. Hello, birdies. Have you come to eat the strawberries? Granny, Grandpa, where are your strawberries?
Ooh, this is nice. A party, we're going to a party. We can sit here. Happy birthday, Grandpa, with party hats. Party hats, please.
Party it's?
Yes, because it is my grandpa's birthday. Ooh, they're so little. They're so fluffy. They're so sweet. Aww, and their fluffy little bodies. Can we have a guinea pig, Daddy? Please? And I would do all the work. George likes pineapple on his pizza. Ah, it looks like a pizza now. I'm doing little tomatoes for the eyes and sweet corn for the mouth. Does it? Oh, goody!
What is it? I wonder how it got there. I'd better tell my daddy. Daddy! Daddy! We found some pirate treasure at the end of our tunnel. Wonder where it goes. Look! There are coins on the floor. We're outside my house. I hope not. Hooray! A toy car! Vroom, vroom. Don't be sad if it sucks, George. Ow! My arm. Oh, Miss Rabbit, the hospital is all Christmassy. Oh, hello, Pedro. Why are you here? I bumped my arm. Look, I got a sticker. That's nice. Oh, Pedro, you look sad.
I live in a yellow house on a hill, and who could ask for more? I have a teddy and we have a fish, and George has a dinosaur. With Daddy Pig and Mummy Pig, we learn and we explore. We're happy as can be in our family. It's got all our favourite colours in it. Red and orange and green and blue. I hope it rains again soon. I love rainbows and muddy puddles. I love it when my friends come to play, don't you? Hello, Peppa. Hello, Susie. Susie is my best friend. Isn't this great? It's brilliant. What shall we play today? George and I are very excited because we're going on a holiday at the seaside. Very, 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 very. We're flying in a big balloon. I can see everything from up here. There's so much for George and me to see. I am a bit of a sleepyhead. Hello, I'm Peppa Pig. George, if you jump in muddy puddles, you must wear your boots. I love learning about letters. I brought an apple and a ball on a picnic. George brought his car and Mr. Dinosaur. Emily Elephant and Freddie Fox came over to play. We fed Goldie and played dress-up with funny hats. We imagined we were on an island and we found hidden jewels. Then we flew a kite by the lake. We bought milk and noodles with Mummy at the supermarket. Then we bought onions and pizza for lunch. We visited the Queen with Miss Rabbit. The Queen let Susie Sheep try on a tiara. Daddy played the ukulele and Mummy played the violin. I blew a whistle while George played the xylophone. I shared my yo-yo with my friend Zoe Zebra. E, F, is G, H, N is for noodles. The light up buttons learn about letters. See you later. Open your book to learn about letters. Hello, I'm Peppa Pig. Let's learn about letters. Press a letter to start. Yellow means slow down. Red means stop. Always buckle your seatbelt when you're in the car. The traffic light has 3 colours. Red, yellow and green. I'm Peppa Pig. I love going on road trips. This is so much fun. Hooray! Let's learn about letters. Press a letter to start. Let's play a searching game. That's it. Press a character to answer. Press a letter to answer. Hello, I'm Peppa Pig. Muddy puddles. We love jumping in muddy puddles. It's brilliant. Hooray! Now that's a proper hug. That was the best hug ever. More hugs, please.
Yeah, I mean, I get that quite a bit from my teachers. They say it's enough having you at school, but you can't start coming into my house.
Yeah.
Because they're just hearing me everywhere.
Yeah.
5.
Fun,
Yes,
and
it was me. Yeah.
Yeah.
I had no idea. Because at the start, Peppa, it wasn't really a big thing. I mean, no one, even the people who created Peppa, never knew it was going to be such a big thing.
Yeah.
No, I couldn't. So Peppa, they used to read the lines out to me and I used to have to copy them back. And I mean, I've kind of got used to that now. So now in the studios, I'll read the lines, but also there'll be the guys over the other side who'll tell me how to do them different ways. Yes.
So do you go in there and say...
Yes, obviously, because I've done Peppa for 11 years now, which is quite a while.
It's a long time.
I really understand the character. I know how she speaks, how she would do things, how she would react.
Yeah.
So
So they know her well, but...
sometimes, yeah, I mean, because obviously I have to change voices from being 16-year-old Norm girl to being a 4-year-old pig.
We have thought from the age, but yet you put that same voice on.
Yeah, it's good. I mean, I've just managed to keep it the same throughout. I mean, obviously, it's kind of matured a bit, but I mean, you kind of have to just act through it. I don't get recognised when I'm kind of walking around, but sometimes if I'm speaking, like it's happened at Starbucks, if I'm just speaking and they're like...
Recognise that voice.
Or if you snort, then suddenly...
Yes, yeah, I do that round Peppa Pig World. Because
Do you?
yeah, I went with my brother and my mum the other weekend, and I mean, I was on the dinosaur ride, which is my favourite ride at the moment.
Yeah,
but,
we'll come to that in a minute.
Yeah, so I was on the rides with my brother, and everyone was kind of giving me slightly odd looks, being, why is there a 16-year-old riding a dinosaur? And so just going around the park, me and my brother were just kind of snorting, doing some lines, and
So do you...
sometimes...
It's the giggle as well.
Yes.
Can you just switch that on?
Yes.
Can you just switch that on now?
there are going to be 2 new rides. It's extended.
Yeah, it's the first time, because obviously Peppa was made quite a few years ago, but this is Peppa World. But they've just got 2 new rides, and it's the first time they've kind of expanded the park, and the rides are bigger than before, and they look amazing. I mean, as I said, I went and saw them, and so there's the Queen's Flying Coach ride, which looks amazing. It's a monorail. I think that's how you say it, but it just goes round the park, and it's really cool.
And there's also Grampy Rabbit's sailing club as well.
So the new water
Is
ride.
it?
Yeah, which is really exciting.
It is brilliant. I mean, I've been with the kids and they absolutely love it. So
And you
I wait
can't go
try
to
new
the...
ones.
Or I mean, it's a bit of juggling, because you've got to juggle your life with GCSEs.
Yes, I've got all my GCSEs coming up.
Pigs through GCSEs.
Yeah. But no, it's fine. You've just got to kind of balance it out. So, so the opening of it, I'm gonna do my GCSE in the morning and then maybe go in afterwards.
Try and do that.
I'll try and do that.
Will you work? Could you just say down camera 1 there that it's the end of the show, and I hope you've enjoyed it for us.
Hello, I hope you had a lovely show and I hope you've enjoyed it.
Thank
you so much. Thank you. I'll treasure it for life.
Hello, Abby.
So, Abby, what's your... Right, well, that is true. Can you...
That was amazing.
Wasn't bad, was it? Thanks for that. Ever jumped in...
In jumpy muddy puddles, you must wear your boots.
Wise words.
Fantastic. Hello, Millie.
How about you.
Amazing!
Oh, there we go. Some proper pepper.
Thank you very
Thanks
much.
for coming.
Hello, Susie. Bye-bye, Mummy. Work hard. Mrs. Sheep, do you work or do you play? What do you do at the gym? I will take the money, Susie, and you can stack the shelves. Hello, Mr. Dog. Susie, have we got any biscuits? That will be £100, please. Thank you. Next, please. Would you like it in a bag, sir? Yes, please. That will be £1, please. Oh, I haven't got enough money. You can pay us next time you come in. Gosh, this is hard work. Susie, what have we got for £1,000,000? Does your garden eat vegetables? What's that? It's a wooden box. Did Mummy bounce on the bed? I didn't miss the scarecrows scare them away. It's fun having carrots for breakfast, Mummy Rabbit.
Yeah.
Hello, Miss Rabbit. Rebecca Rabbit's house. Who's speaking, please? Yes. What about Miss Rabbit's other jobs? Daddy, why are you buying an ice cream?
Oh.
Miss Rabbit is ill. Can you drive a bus today? Mummy, Susie said I talk too much.
Well-
I can easily stop talking if I want to. Yes, I can. I can. That's it. I'm never going to talk again. This is a silly game. Susie said I was a chatterbox and I could never be quiet. Right, I'm not going to talk ever again. Starting now. Please. And our voices sound funny. We're in the sky. We're sailing across the sky. So high, floating on the water, sailing across the sky. Wow! What a lot of books! Wow! What a lot of books! Wow! What a lot of books! Can my friends come to play? Don't you? And you and me. Can my friends come to play? Don't you? Hello. Hello, Susie. Susie is my best friend.
Susie?
And you and me. Will you come and play with me? Playing's fun when there are two, or three, or four, or five, or six,
Or 7, or 8, or 9, or 10, or 11, or 12, or 13.
me and me, friends together we will be. When you giggle, I do too. I'm here, and I'm here. I'm here,
I'm here.
and I'm here too.
I'm here too.
Because we are friends. You and me and you. I feel extra lucky today because I am with my friend. That's not fair. I want to be extra lucky too.
Two.
Thank you, Peppa, because we are friends.
Yeah. And that was track number 7, Peppa and Friends. So this song is teaching kids that it's nice to have friends, essentially.
Time to hear all my friends and me. She brings our names up on the list, and this is what she'll say. Oh, Daddy, Daddy, Dog, Emily, Elephant, Freddy, Claus, Girl, Giraffe, Mandy Mouse, the one and only Pedro. Reading books and story time, we have them every day. Flying to
Christmas.
And I am very excited because we're going on a holiday at the seaside. Peppa Pig is coming out to play. Happy play. George is coming out to play. Happy play. Singing Peppa, Peppa, Peppa Pig. Singing Peppa, Peppa, Peppa.
Party time.
Having a party. Do you want to come? There's going to
Here are the muddy puddles. But honestly, Peppa Pig, who doesn't love rainbows? Rainbows are awesome. So that was Rainbow track number 5. It's just so much fun. I don't remember the last time I listened to a children's record before. Honestly, it must have been, way back when I was a kid or a toddler. I'm having some shower after this Peppa Pig. I'm gonna have to have a shower after this video. Anyway, say she loves her muddy puddles, and I don't know if it's I remember I enjoyed puddles, but Peppa Pig thing, I don't know. More
Muddy puddles, splish splash, splosh, splish splash. This is such fun. Oh! Our little tent, and we're all going to camp outdoors. Yes! Looking at the birds and creepy crawlies. Shh, be quiet and hide. What's it like out there, Daddy Pig?
yeah, and that was
Muddy puddles, splish splash, splosh, splish splash.
That was Piggy and Pandora's idea. A little bit of mud would be nice. 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 Very, 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 very. A little bit of mud would be nice.
I do not talk too much. Anyway, you're always walking like this. Oh, look at me. I'm Susie Sheep. See what I mean? And you say this. Mickey Macky Boo Ba Boo.
Very, 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 very.
Hello, I hope you had a lovely show and I hope you've enjoyed it.
Daddy, why are you buying an ice cream?
Oh.
Daddy, why are you buying an ice cream?
Oh.
Daddy, why are you buying an ice cream?
Oh.
Daddy, why are you buying an ice cream?
Oh.
Daddy, why are you buying an ice cream?
Oh.
Daddy, why are you buying an ice cream?
Oh.
Daddy, why are you buying an ice cream?
Oh.
Daddy, why are you buying an ice cream?
Oh.
Daddy, why are you buying an ice cream?
Oh.
Daddy, why are you buying an ice cream?
Oh.
Daddy, why are you buying an ice cream?
Oh.
Daddy, why are you buying an ice cream?
Oh.
Daddy, why are you buying an ice cream?
Oh.
Daddy, why are you buying an ice cream?
Oh.
Daddy, why are you buying an ice cream?
Oh.
Daddy, why are you buying an ice cream?
Oh.
Daddy, why are you buying an ice cream?
Oh.
Daddy, why are you buying an ice cream?
Oh.
Daddy, why are you buying an ice cream?
Oh.
Very, 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 very.
I do not talk too much. Anyway, you're always walking like this. Oh, look at me. I'm Susie Sheep. See what I mean? And you say this. Mickey Macky Boo Ba Boo. You must stay on your side of the bedroom. That's your side. And this is my side. Do not cross the invisible line. Look, Mummy, a parcel for George and me. Ooh, what is the present? It's a toy horse. I shall call it Twinkle Toes. Horsey, Twinkle Toes. Horsey, Twinkle Toes. There are more important things than newspapers, Daddy Pig. Daddy! You have to be the scarecrow. Now, stay there until the birdies go to bed. What is this, Grandpa? What is a weed? Oh, no, Granny. I think he looked cute. Naughty Grandpa Pig. Those are Granny Pig's gnomes. I wish.
Well, don't tell us what you're wishing for.
Okay. Finish! Wow! Whose phone is that? That sounds fun. Pedro, you stay outside and tell us if Madame Gazelle's coming along.
Ellie.
Wobbly jelly. Wobble, wobble, wobble. Granny, I've got a very good idea. Yes. First, I need some water. Okay. Hello, flowers. Who wants to be in my perfume? I'm going to put you in my beaker of water. Hello, butterfly. I'm making perfume. It's going to be the prettiest, smelliest perfume ever. Lovely.
Here is George.
Stand back, George. I'm making perfume. Do you want to watch? First, I pick a smelly flower. Very flowery. Then I put it in my beaker. No, George. You can't put grass in my perfume. It needs the smell of flowers. Smell! It's my special perfume. I made it with flowers from the garden. But we need to take all our toys, Daddy. I'm going on holiday. We're flying. The sun, flying high in a plane. Up above the clouds and rain. Flying high, sunny sky. Flying high and high and high. Are we going to get lost like we always do? Daddy, why are they beeping their horns at us? Teddy! I left Teddy on the aeroplane!
Eh? What?
We have to go back for Teddy! Daddy fell in the water! It's impossible! Nobody can go under that! We're doing a circus for your garden party. Ladies and gentlemen, welcome to my circus. Now, please be very scared of the amazing Candy Cat. Look at George, Richard and Edmund on tricycles. Don't stop clapping. It's the strong Danny Dog. See Emily Elephant juggle potatoes and an egg. Now laugh a lot at Pedro Pony. He's a clown. Don't be silly, Susie. No, I wasn't. Mummy.
Hello, Peppa.
Susie is talking nonsense. No, I'm not. She said in the olden days I was a baby. You've got a big tummy, Daddy. Is there a baby in there? I still do. Let's find some treasure to put in it. Grandpa, that man just called you an old bean. That's why we love you, Daddy Pig. Mummy?
Hello, Peppa.
Susie is talking nonsense. No, I'm not. She said in the olden days I was a baby. When my friends come to play, don't you? And when my friends come to play, don't you? Hello. Hello, Susie. Susie is my best friend.
Susie? And that was track number 7, Peppa and Friends. So this song is teaching kids that it's nice to have friends, essentially. Ooh. party time.
Having a party. Do you want to come? There's going to be lots of dancing. And maybe some jumping in muddy puddles.
The return of the muddy puddles.
Peppa Pig, 1, 2, 3. Surely can on this. He's a
But honestly, Peppa Pig, who doesn't love rainbows? Rainbows are awesome. So that was Rainbow track number 5. It's just so much fun. I don't remember the last time I listened to a children's record before. Honestly, it must have been, way back when I was a kid or a toddler. I'm having so much after this Peppa Pig. I mean, I'm gonna have to have a shower after this video. Anyway, say she loves her muddy puddles, and I don't know if it's like, I remember I enjoyed puddles, but Peppa Pig thing, I don't know. More
muddy puddles. Splish, splash, splosh, splish, splash. This is such fun. Oh! Our little tent, and we're all going to camp outdoors. Yes! Looking at the birds and creepy crawlies. Shh, be quiet and hide. What's it like out there, Daddy Pig?
yeah, and that was
Muddy puddles. Splish, splash, splosh, splish, splash. Are they your friends, Grandpa? What does your boat look like, Grandpa? Hello, Grampy Rabbit. We can't go sailing because our boat has sunk. Okay, you hold on to the handlebars like this with both hands. Now stand on the scooter. Oh. No, George. Okay, you hold on to the handlebars like this with both hands. Now stand on the scooter. Oh. No, George. Madam Gazelle, we came to school on our scooters today. Madam Gazelle, we came to school on our scooters today.
Miss Rabbit, look at how many strawberries we picked. Miss Rabbit, look at how many strawberries we picked. Miss Rabbit, look at how many strawberries we picked. Now we can make strawberry jam. Now we can make strawberry jam. Now we can make strawberry jam. Strawberry, strawberry, juicy, red and sweet. Strawberry, strawberry, they're so nice to eat. Strawberry, strawberry, juicy, red and sweet. Strawberry, strawberry, they're so nice to eat. Strawberry, strawberry, juicy, red and sweet. Strawberry, strawberry, they're so nice to eat. Strawberry, strawberry, juicy, red and sweet. Strawberry, strawberry, they're so nice to eat. Strawberry, strawberry, juicy, red and sweet. Strawberry, strawberry, they're so nice to eat.
Sneeuws. Zie je hier, moet je nou,
lugna. Smaken I nomus ja og sølgres. Steboini batgat I legans na I sørgna hipmak. Ja, nicht bøn for satse, steg pils, steg på fjas. Ja, sønnes I nummer, steg pils, steg på fjas. I pilsvik hjemmes, må svinge som ja. Nærmest Jans ikke pilsespøket fra vi snår. Steg pilse for tippe meg ja.
مش next then. ما بيعش جوا. Sneeuws. Zie je, hier moet er nou niet aan. Look at my pretty picture, Polly. But where is Granny Pig? Nicht bøn for satse, steg pils, steg på fjas. Jak sønnes I nummer, steg pils, steg på fjas. I pilsvik hjemmes, må svinge som ja. Nærmest Jans ikke pilsespøket fra vi snår. Steg pilse for tippe meg ja. مش next then. ما بيعش جوا.
What's Romans? Bye! Granny, can we be Romans too? Our red car goes brum brum, beep beep beep. Can you join in with all the traffic noises? Romans! Tempus fugit, veni vidi vici. Now what do we do? What does that mean, Granny?